Hey, so I noticed there's some confusion about Armament Haki levels and about the term Ryuuou that Grandpa Hyou used. I hope to clear it up. Let's start from the term Ryuuou. Haki can be understood as willpower, and people of Wano refer to it as Ryuuou. Chapter 940, page 11, here. What you outsiders call Haki is known as Ryuuou here in the Wano country. It focuses on the concept of flow. As we see from translators' notes, that Ryuuou translates as flowing sakura or dragon king emperor. I suggest to concentrate on the translation flowing sakura. Again, in chapter 947, page 7, Hyou explains, I'm only able to teach you how to gather the vast amount of Ryuuou, known to you as Haki, that surrounds your body. So he explicitly says that you name it Haki, we name it Ryuuou. So it's one and the same, we are just using different terms. I always understood Haki as a willpower, but now I think it could be also a reference to Qi or Qi, which in Chinese is the vital force that resides in every living being. Going from that, we can presume that this energy flows, as Qi or Qi translates from Chinese as energy flow or air. So it's kind of like sakura petals flowing in the air. Now that we established that Ryuuou is just a name for Haki in Wano, and we discussed what this Haki could actually be, what it actually is, we can delve into the main part of this video. Simplified, Armament Haki can be divided into 3 levels: normal armament, advanced armament, and internal shattering. I gave it this name, internal shattering. You could give it another name. There are actually many uses of Armament Haki, but let's concentrate on these 3 for now. First, normal armament. It's like a black shell surrounding your body, hardening it up, and Luffy has mastered it already. It's a black visible armor, and on the second level we have invisible armor. It's advanced armament. You use your life force that surrounds your body and you make it flow in the direction of your opponent, not into your opponent, but to your opponent, dealing external damage. Hyou has mastered it and wanted to teach it to Luffy. Luffy clearly has potential, but he cannot use it yet. Third level, I called it internal shattering, is vastly superior to the second level. The concept is similar. You take your energy force, your Qi or Qi, and you make it flow, but not just in the direction of your opponent, but into your opponent, shattering them from the inside out. So it deals internal damage compared to external damage of the second level, advanced armament. And Hyou has not mastered it yet, and Luffy has used it in a dire situation, in an extreme situation, but he doesn't know how to repeat it, how to do it again. Now the interesting question is, Hyou was talking about that concept of mighty blade, when you use your Haki to harden your sword. But which level is it? Is it the second level or the third? Now if we can make our Haki flow into living objects, maybe we could make it flow into inanimate objects too. Here's how Hyou explains it in chapter 939, page 15. It is transferred to a sword from the user's body, so that when we want to cut something, our sword will cut even the thickest of steel, and when we do not want to cut something, our sword will not cut the thinnest of paper. The sword becomes one with the swordmaster. So from this we can draw the following conclusions. You can harden your sword with your own life energy. Since your weapon now flows with your life energy, you become one with it. Since you became one with it, your control of this weapon is absolute, and you choose what it will cut and what it will not. Hyou said that users of second level of armament, advanced armament, can use this technique, mighty blade, And as I understood it, it only covers your weapon in haki. It isn't permanent, as permanent blackening of the blade. Your haki doesn't flow into the sword. So could it be that the permanent blackening, permanent hardening of your sword is actually using the third level of Armament Haki, and you make your energy flow inside the blade, not shattering it, but making it stronger? Of course, these last points are mostly speculative, but I'm interested in what you think. Please share your thoughts in the comments down below. If you watched this far, it means you like the video, so if you are not part of my chill channel yet, consider subscribing for more future content. And if you want more videos on this topic, please let me know. See ya!